Python and our masterclass, Unlocking Predictable Business Growth in the UK 2025 Introduction. The imperative for predictive analytics in modern business strategy in the rapidly evolving UK business landscape of 2025, relying solely on historical reporting is no longer sufficient. Success demands the ability to accurately forecast future trends and customer behavior. This masterclass is designed for aspiring and current analysts, managers, and business intelligence professionals who seek to transition from retrospective analysis to proactive, predictive strategic planning. We focus on leveraging the dual powerhouses of open-source programming Python and R to build robust analytical pipelines. Python, with its industrial-strength libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn, excels in machine learning deployment, while R, specifically with the tidyverse ecosystem, offers unparalleled tools for statistical modeling and sophisticated data visualization. By mastering both, you establish a foundational, highly competitive skill set essential for driving predictable growth in any large enterprise or rapidly scaling startup. Data cleaning and feature engineering, the foundational strategy. The most critical phase of any data science project is often the least glamorous: data cleaning and preparation. Real-world business data is inherently messy, plagued by inconsistencies, outliers, and missing values, yet the quality of your predictive model is directly proportional to the quality of your input data. Using Python's Pandas library, we systematically address these challenges. This involves robust handling of missing data through techniques like mean or median imputation for numerical variables or mode imputation for categorical data, while also exploring more advanced methods such as predictive imputation using simple machine learning models. Concurrently, we focus on feature engineering, a strategic process where raw data fields are transformed into more meaningful predictors. For instance, deriving recency, frequency, and monetary values from raw transaction timestamps to create highly effective features for a customer churn prediction model. This meticulous preparation ensures the models built in later stages are grounded in representative, unbiased, and highly predictive data. Exploratory data analysis and executive visualization communicating insight. Before jumping into complex machine learning, a thorough exploratory data analysis using sophisticated visualization techniques is mandatory to understand the underlying structure, relationships, and anomalies within your business data. This phase is crucial for framing the problem correctly and communicating preliminary findings to non-technical stakeholders. In R, the Plot package is the industry standard for creating publication-quality, aesthetically superior data graphics that adhere to stringent executive reporting standards. For Python, Seaborn and Matplotlib are deployed to create complex relational plots, histograms, and box plots that reveal patterns such as the correlation between customer age and product adoption or the seasonality of sales data. The goal here is not just to display data, but to transform numerical insights into a compelling, visual narrative that justifies the choice of machine learning models and highlights the potential levers for predictable business growth. Building predictive models for high-impact business problems, this phase centers on selecting and deploying appropriate machine learning algorithms to answer high-value business questions. For binary classification problems common in business, such as predicting whether a customer will churn or whether a loan application will default, logistic regression and decision trees or their ensemble variants like random forests are often the preferred starting points due to their blend of interpretability and performance. Using Python's scikit-learn library, we cover the full model lifecycle: data splitting, train, test, validation, rigorous cross-validation to prevent overfitting, and hyperparameter tuning to optimize performance. Furthermore, for continuous variable forecasting like predicting future sales or inventory demand, We introduce time series analysis models in R, such as ARIMA, which are statistically robust for predictable forecasting, providing essential guidance for supply chain and financial planning, model evaluation, and translating technical metrics to strategic action. A predictive model is only valuable if its performance can be accurately measured and its output clearly translated into business action. Standard machine learning metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall must be understood within the business context. For instance, in a fraud detection model, recall catching all fraudulent cases is often prioritized over simple accuracy, as the cost of a missed fraud event is far higher than the cost of a false positive. We utilize confusion matrices and ROC curves to systematically evaluate model robustness across different business scenarios. The final, crucial step is creating a structured report, often in the form of a dynamic dashboard or automated presentation, that translates complex model outputs. For example, the model predicts a 25% churn rate among segment X into clear, actionable strategic directives for the marketing or operations teams. For example, targets segment X with a loyalty promotion immediately. This final step closes the loop, converting data science theory into measurable, predictable business growth. Operationalizing models with MLOps and continuous monitoring. The ultimate test of a predictive model's value is its successful deployment into a live business environment. A strategic process, often referred to as machine learning operations MLOps. In this advanced phase, we transition the model built in scikit-learn or R into a truly production-ready application. This typically involves containerizing the model using tools like Docker, setting up a scalable API endpoint, for example using Python's FastAPI or Flask, and integrating it seamlessly with existing enterprise systems such as Customer Relationship Management (CRM) or Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) platforms to automate decision-making. Crucially, the process does not end at deployment. Continuous, automated monitoring is essential. We establish robust health checks and performance monitoring dashboards to track model drift, the degradation of predictive accuracy over time due to changing market conditions or customer behaviors, ensuring the model remains a reliable tool for consistent, predictable business growth. This operational rigor is what separates effective data science experimentation from true, scalable business transformation. Responsible and ethical AI for trust and UK compliance. As data science models become increasingly integral to high-stakes decision-making, from credit scoring and recruitment to insurance pricing, the principles of responsible and ethical AI are paramount, particularly within the strictly regulated UK, EU context. This final strategic phase explores practical techniques for ensuring model fairness and transparency across all predictive outcomes. We examine methods to detect and mitigate hidden bias in training data that could lead to discriminatory outcomes against specific customer segments. Furthermore, we introduce advanced tools for model interpretability, for example, SHOP or LIME, which allow analysts to explain why a model made a specific prediction in simple business terms. This process transforms the model from a mysterious black box into a trusted, auditable business advisor. By proactively addressing these ethical and compliance considerations, the business not only ensures regulatory adherence, but also builds essential long-term customer and stakeholder trust, securing sustainable, predictable growth.